Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn over an apartment. That is, when somebody moves out, there's repairs that need to be done and cleaning. Please check out my previous video if you want to see the eviction of this tenant. I'm starting off with all the repairs that need to be done here in the bathroom. This tub needed to be caulked. It was all dry and cracking. This toilet was leaking and these bolts were rusted on, so I had to take the grinder to it. Whenever you pull a toilet, it's a good idea to remove the old wax ring and replace it with a new one. I'm going to install this new shower head. You need to check what shower head you have. Some of them have this little rubber gasket. If you have that rubber gasket, you do not need this tape on the threads. If it doesn't have the gasket, you do need the threads. Just get it snug, don't get it too tight. Test it out. Make sure it doesn't leak. Here I am using a pre-mixed grout repair product. It cost a lot more than just regular grout, but I had such a small section to do, it didn't make sense to buy a whole bag. Here we got that tile all fixed. The grout has dried, it's all cleaned up. Can't even tell there was an issue. I'm not really sure what all these scratches on the door are from. Either they locked their kids in here or they locked a dog in here. I'm really hoping it's the dog, but you never know. Caulk is your best friend. So what happened here in the kitchen was the bathroom is right above it. She left the sink on accidentally and left the house. And when she came back, it was overflowing because the sink did not have an overflow hole on it. And so she came home to a flooded bathroom and kitchen, and this seam got wet and fell down. What we're going to do here is remove this trim, and then and this trim as well. We're going to cut a piece of sheetrock, put it up here, trace around here, cut that line, pull it out, and then replace it with a new piece and tape up the seams.
and we're the reason. If you don't feel safe, then stop defunding the policemen. You calling us?
You worry about leaving a better planet for our kids. How about leaving better kids for our planet? Entire generation of...
One major tip I have for you when painting is to choose one color that you do all of your apartments with. Then you have no guesswork of what color you're going to do. You always have extra of it, and it's always going to match when you do little patches like this. And nobody likes to store 100 different cans of paint. I have one gray color that I do the walls, and then I just do bright white for the trims. Here we have the final walk around showing all the finished work. Everything that needed to be fixed is done, and now the only thing left to do is vacuum, shampoo, clean everything up, and get it smelling good in here. Once I get this place cleaned up, I'll list it online and hopefully get a tenant in here as soon as possible. And with that, I'm going to end the video here. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.